This wind is definitely going to take us outwards more. We kind of have to keep the motor on low. My one wish over $10 million is to be able to drive really well so that I can go fishing whenever I want. You know how many times I've been able to go fishing, but my parents or nobody else can take me? Like a gazillion times. And go ahead and fish. Cast right into these log pieces, the fish will come out, pick at it, big ones come out and eat it. All that used to be sunken underwater. Oh yeah. Oh look at that, oh my God. That was fun. Hold up. Just quickly cast right there. See if he comes up. No, it's a stick, Dad. I saw it was a stick. I'm not lying. It was an actual stick. I caught an actual stick. Did I catch something? Oh my gosh, look at I got him looking at a crazy. Sorry. I need a quick break. I immediately knew. Okay. I don't know how to proceed with this operation. At least he's not badly. I set him down immediately. And he got off. Can you calm down there? Can you open your mouth, please? Okay, well that's awesome. First catch of the day. He'll be okay. I didn't hook him that badly. I knew I had a fish on because something was like pulling very oddly. Try to get as close up to it as you can. Too busy.
Yeah, kind of you are, I guess. Huh?
That one.
You really? You sure did, didn't you?
Oh my gosh, I actually got a green sunfish. This reminds me of fishing in the wigwam a while back. Sure. You just calm down, please. I always use my foot to. Okay, thank you. Little green sunfish. Then this is green sunfish. Nice little patterns. I knew it would catch sunfish.